Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Robux with Visa gift card. So you can load up your account and start spending your Robux on your favorite avatar items, game passes, or upgraded. Firstly, make sure your Visa gift card is ready to use. Check the card's balance. If necessary, register it online at the issuer's website to add a billing address. Now, head over to the Roblox website at roblox.com or open the app. Log into your account and navigate to the Robux section. You'll find this option at the top of the screen in the side menu. With your account ready, it's time to pick your Robux package. On the Robux purchase page, choose the package that fits your needs. Robux is available in different bundles from 400 Robux up to larger amounts for serious players. Just a tip, choose a package that matches your Visa gift card balance. Once you've made your selection, it's time to pay. At checkout, choose credit or debit card as your preferred method. Enter your Visa gift card number and fill in the expiration date and CVV code. That's the 3-digit code on the back of the card. If prompt, enter the billing address you used when registering the gift card and take your time to ensure all details are accurate. Now, review the purchase details one final time, confirm the Robux amount, and ensure your payment details are correct. If your gift card has enough funds, your payment will process successfully. And once approved, your Robux will be instantly added to your Roblox account. And that's it. You've just purchased Robux using a Visa gift card and you're ready to start spending. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Robux.